So इसका solution let us we take the math dy dx. Firstly 1 plus cos 2y by 1 minus cos 2x. We know the formula of 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, and 2 sin square theta equal to how much? 1 minus cos 2 theta. Clear? So dy dx, and this one is replaced by 2 cos square y, and this one is replaced by 2 sin square y. 2 sin square y. Clear? 2 cos square y by 2 sin square y. 2 and now dy dx equal to cos square y by sin square y. Now by using cross multiplication we get dy by cos square y equal to dx by sin square x. Dy by cos square y means dy by cos square y equal to dx by sin square x. So we can write 1 by cos square means sec square y dy, and 1 by sin square means cosec square x dx. Now taking integration both sides to find out the solution, and the integration of sec square y dy is tan y, and integration of cosec square x dx is minus cot x. Clear? And c is the arbitrary, constant. So tan y plus cot x equal to c is the required equation, and which one is the option of C?